No child should be given an antibiotic by a parent. Why? Because these are medications that need to be prescribed by a doctor for specific bacterial infections. Dengue, COVID, common flu, cold and cough are viral infections and they absolutely do not require antibiotics. So what if I give it to my child? One, it removes all their good bacteria. So it disrupts their gut immunity, making them more prone to infections. Tummy troubles, not feeling good, poor appetite, etc. can be a side effect of these medications. But most importantly, it will not work when we actually need it. This breeds superbugs, which are antibiotic resistant. So the next time you pick up azithromycin or amoxicillin for your child, think twice.